Hey guys, welcome to day 12 of Codeforces every day until GM. Woke up today with a little bit of a fever, but the Codeforces grind does not stop. So, uh, without further ado, let's just keep doing problems today. We'll knock out a lot of these easy problems in the training sheet. Hopefully, we can get to some harder problems soon because I am sick of doing these 800 rated. I should be like able to do some harder ones now, so that's what I want to do. And hopefully these are harder. I don't actually know. Let's check the rating. Nope, they're still 800 rated. Even odds. I've already done this one, but 900 rated. Isn't even odds up here somewhere? I don't know. Well, without further ado, let's buy a shovel today. Okay. This guy needs a shovel. He comes in the shop, chooses an appropriate one. The shovel that Polycarp chooses is sold for K burls. Assume that there's a limited number of such shovels in the shop. In his pocket, Polycarp has an unlimited number of 10 burl coins. Exactly one coin of R burls. What is the minimum number of shovels Polycarp has to buy so that he can pay for the purchase without any change? It's obvious he can pay for 10 shovels without any change, but perhaps he can buy fewer and pay without change. Nope, Polycarp should buy at least one shovel. Okay. First line contains two integers k and r, price of one shovel, and the denomination of the coin in Polycarp's pocket that is different from the 10 burl coins. Remember that he has an unlimited amount of coins in the denomination of 10. That is, Polycarp has enough money to buy any number of shovels. Find out the minimum number of shovels Polycarp has to buy so that he can pay for them without any change. So, the price of one shovel and the denomination of coin. Okay. Price of one shovel. The denomination of his coins. What kind of coins does he have? He has unlimited coins in denomination 10. But then he has these coins. So the minimum amount would be number of shovels so you can pay for them without any change. What does this mean? This is cost of a shovel, right? This is the denomination of his coin, and he has a 10 denomination coin. So, let's see. In the first example, you can buy 9 shovels. Indeed, he can pay the sum by using 10 burley coins and 1 3 burley coin. Can't buy fewer shovels without any change. Okay. In the third example, 2 shovels. It's obvious that he can pay this without any change. Yes. Okay, so how many shovels can he buy? How many shovels can he buy without any change? So every time I run into one of these problems, I always think it's like some elaborate math answer. just because we're given two, we have two denominations of coins. We have tens and we have threes. And then we have our shovel price. So I guess it's just the modulus of 10 then the modulus of 3. Mod 10 equals 7. Mod 3 equals 1. And if the mod 3 part is not equal to 0, then we increase the number of shovels by 1. So for a while, while shovel count equals 0. Oh, equals 1 because we buy at least one shovel. While shovel count times k mod 10 mod 3 does not equal to 0. Shovel count plus equals 1. Print shovel count. Like, I think this is the solution. Seven. Okay, something's not right. So shovel count times. Let's just print this out. Mm. 1, 1, 1. I don't understand. Why does this happen? Oh, I guess this, and then we can print. Shovel count. When it's 1, shovel counts 2, shovel counts 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. You're saying when 117 times 7 mod 10 is 9. Mod 3 is 0. Wait, 7 should work. without change. Because 7 shovels is 117 times 7 is equal to 819 mod 10 is 9 mod 3 is 0. So you can have 3 1 cost coins and 81 10 cost coins. Right? Why make it so complicated with 9? I don't think this is right. Right? Wait, let's test the next one. 7. 237 mod 7 is 6. So the number of shovels he has to buy so that he can pay for them without any change. How does he pay for this without any change? This is obvious because 2 shovels 30, 10. Am I misunderstanding? How's 1 enough? Well, I guess mod 10 and 7. Yeah, that would make sense. Oh, I see what's happening. Mod 10, and then this is mod R, not 3. Okay. Well, that still gives 7, but this one gives 1 now. I don't understand why this is 7, or why this is 9. Because if it's 7, okay, did I misread the question? Unlimited, exactly 1. Oh, I see, exactly 1. So if mod 10 does not equal R, I didn't realize he only had 1 of the special coins. There we go. So what's happening here? All shovel count 1 times 15 mod 10. Oh, okay. Here's a case or. Mm. There we go. Alright. Fire shovel. Got it. Nice. Next question. What was the difficulty of that? Probably like 1.2 or something. Well, it was really only I only messed up because I misread it, right? So 1.1. What yourself? Yes. And this question was brute force, implementation, or constructive algos. Implementation, math. Okay. Okay, next one. Is your horseshoe on the other hoof? 228A. Okay. Valeria the horse is going to the party with friends. He's been following the fashion trends for a while. He knows that it's very popular to wear all horseshoes of different color. Got 4 horseshoes left from last year, but maybe some of them have the same color. In this case, he needs to go to the store and buy a few more, not to lose face. Fortunately, the store sells horseshoes of all colors under the sun. Has enough money to buy any 4 of them. However, in order to save money, he would like to spend as little as possible. What's the minimum number of horseshoes he needs to buy to wear 4 different colors to a party? Okay, first line contains 4. The colors of the the colors of the horseshoes he has. Okay, so was list map and input dot split, and then do you not just like count the duplicates? Is it not just set this and then print len colors print 4 minus colors. One, 3, yeah. That was easy. Difficulty, give that a 1. Myself, yes. There's implementation. Okay. Colorful stones. Have I done this one before? No? Simplified edition. Oops. 265A. Okay. Rating 800. Um, how come all these are 800? Like, are all of these 800? 1300. Okay, so 1100. 900. So I guess on section A, they just get harder as you go down. I guess I'm just in the easy 800s section, and then section B gets harder. C, D. Probably just gets harder as you go, right? Yeah, 2100. Hmm. So here's a question. Should I just keep working through this on the videos? Because for a while it's gonna be me doing 800 problems. Is that interesting to watch? Or should I just like maybe do a few of these on video, a few of these on my own, and then like for the video I'll just pick some harder questions, maybe from B and C. Or what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. For today though, yeah, maybe after this question, because I already did what, three, three or two 800s. Maybe after this question, let's do like a harder question. Okay, a ship crashed into a reef and is sinking. Now the entire crew must be evacuated. All in crew members have already lined up in a row. Let's label them all from left to right with positive integers from 1 to n and await further instructions. However, one should evacuate the crew properly in a strict order. Specifically, first crew members to leave the ship are rats, then women, children. Both groups have the same priority. Leave the ship after that, all men. The captain leaves the sinking ship last. But we cannot determine who should leave the ship first for any two members of the crew by the rules from the previous paragraph. Then the one who stands to the left leaves first. Other words, the one whose number in the line is less. For each crew member, we know his status as a crew member, also his name. All crew members have different names. Determine the order in which to evacuate the crew. The first line contains an integer n, which is the number of people in the crew. Then following n lines, the ith of those lines contain two words, the name of the crew member who's in the ith line. Okay, yeah, there's a bunch of yap. Print in lines, the ith of them should contain the name of the crew. Okay, let's see. 6. Teddy, Alice, Bob, Julia, Charlie, and Jack. So we basically just want to sort. Okay. N equals int input. Crew goes this. For how do we auto sort this? For then range and name status equals map str input dot split. Okay. Now rat uh pandas add to the end of the list, right? But index element. Okay. How should we do this? So we have the name and status. Uh, to sort. Um, How do I sort this? I want it in. Can I use sorted? But how? If I use sorted, how do I sort by the status? It's like I have to set some sort of order or something. And then I'm not sure. Like I can do something like rat child 1 woman 1 man 1 cap captain uh man 2 captain 3. And then if so that means we need to do something like this, and then crew dot insert but then this is O squared and crew if crew I 1 Status. Value status. If crew I1 is greater than member 1, crew dot insert member crew dot insert I member. Is this right at all? Print crew. Okay. I'm gonna need to split the keys later, but I don't think this is right. It's empty. Len crew equals 0. No. Crew dot append member elif it's over. This can't be right. If I just did what the heck is happening here? Okay. What happens? A, B, C. Okay. So here's what's gonna need to happen. We're gonna bring back this, and then this, and then crew dot append member, and then maybe we can do value first, and then we can do sort. Crew dot sort crew 0 Teddy Alice Bob Julia Charlie Jack. There we go. Now we just want the end value. Python separate to the array. No numpy. Do I just have to iterate through and do it? I guess so. I'm gonna do to print this for member in crew to print dot append member one print to print. Or I guess we don't even need to print here, we can just do print member one. Teddy, Alice, Bob, Julia, Charlie, Jack. Okay. Well, I think this is it. Let's say this browse. This ain't colorful stones, this is sinking ship. What the hell? Did I skip a question? Sinking ship. Where's sinking ship? Why did I do this problem? Oh. I guess it was one of the ones I opened up randomly. Well, I guess we can replace this 963A sinking ship. That's cool. We accidentally did a 900 rated. I am feeling a bit nauseous right now, so I might have to save the harder problems for next time. But let's submit sinking ship real quick. Still don't know what status is supposed to be for. Wrong answer, test 4. Captain, man, woman. Okay. What's going on here? Why does it do this? Hello. 5. A. Captain. B. Man. D. Woman. C. Child. E. Rat. E. C. D. B. A. E. D. C. B. A. E. D. C. B. A. So, why did I do C first instead of D first? It should go through, append each, and then sort. So print here. Crew. E. Okay. Why is dot sort putting C in front of D? What param's gonna do? Key. What can I do for the key? By index. So like key do I have to use lambda? DC. Okay, that fixed it. Is that did? Yeah, okay. There we go. Where's my junior training sheet? Some account two. What is status? I don't know. Like done? No problem level. This was harder. This was 1.7. By yourself? Yes. Category, implementation, sorting. I don't feel very well. Implementation, sorting, string. Okay. Why is this formatted like this? There we go. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna call it here for now. I'm not feeling very well. Would love to do a few more questions, but my head is killing me right now and my stomach is killing me as well. So if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. I'll try to push out a few more shorts today if I feel well enough to, but yeah, the grind doesn't even stop when I'm sick. So see y'all guys tomorrow.